How you doing? My name is Steve. I just wanted to show you something about free energy that could be utilized. We could definitely can use. This is the little tail end of one of those toy helicopters. My son broke it. He's good at breaking things. His last name is Break, so what do you expect? But I conformed it, transferred it into this little thing. You can see I took a tiny little motor in the front, soldered those two wires on there, came up here, soldered those two on those micro little things. This thing is very tiny. But you can create power both ways with this thing. You can use your gear reduction over here. Polarity doesn't matter. It's just two motors hooked to each other. Tiny little DC volt motors. Very tiny. I have very large hands. And you spin it. And it makes that spin up there. But you can also blow on this fan. You see how intense those curvatures are? That thing flows very fast. You can create enough amps and voltage to power that back down there. And then you have the gear reduction. So if that was technically right there, that stub connected to something, you know, your gear reducted. Let's see if I can get this on camera. Works both ways. It's free power. Cost me a little bit of wind. Kind of winded. I smoke and I drink. I'm just a big stupid mechanic, but that's free power on a very small scale. Look at all the torque you could make with that, though, if this was on a larger scale. High flowing blade like that, larger motor, much. Same thing with the bottom motor. And then gear reducted. Look at all the power that you could take out of that thing. It would all be free. It wouldn't cost you a dime. Just the wind. Then of course, if you want to charge something with this on the DC level, you need your what do you call those damn things? Your diodes. You need a diode which only allows electricity to flow one way through the wire. It can't come back in, because if you hooked up two motors to that, you know, obviously you're powering these motors, so you want the electricity to flow one way. You can do all sorts of crazy things with this. But it should be built on a large scale, you know. Everyone should have one. They're called windmills. That's what that motor's next for. Windmill. Alright. Thanks for watching some free energy.